each set of planetary gears produce different gear ratios in forward and reverse. This is possible because you need to stop the sun and rotate the planet and the ring, or stop the ring and rotate the planet and the sun, or stop this and this, or stop all of that. The process to stop one gear with respect to the other ones is by means of the closed pack or by means of the servo valve. For example, normally to stop the ring, this is the set of planetary gears. This is the set of planetary gears, and this set, the ring is here. This is the ring. I enter here into the ring, and the procedure to stop the ring, this element, is with the servo band. The servo band have friction material here, the same friction material used in the closed pack. You remember in the closed pack you have friction material, friction discs with the teeth internals, and stainless steel, friction material, stainless steel, friction material, stainless steel. In other words, the closed pack, one shaft is connected with the internal teeth of the friction material, and other shaft is connected with the teeth of the stainless steel plates. When the fluid enter at high pressure over there, compress the plates, and this shaft is engaged with this. This is the closed pack, you remember in the previous example. The servo band is the same friction material with a stainless steel band, and this element is externally on the ring, is located externally on the ring, and this element is activated with a solenoid. The solenoid close or open, and you stop the ring or lose the ring. In other words, the servo band is activated for a solenoid in order to stop or lose, stop or free. This is the procedure with the servo band. And once again, the secret is the material, the friction material, and the quality of the oil. If the oil is a dirty oil, eroded the material, the friction material, the enemy of that friction material is the water. For that reason, you need periodically check the color of the transmission oil. Verify if the color become brown or if the color is milky. You need immediately flush the oil, replace the oil, and verify where is the intrusion of water in the transmission. The enemy of the transmission is the water.